Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error loading charts on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this is an error that is common to Claude AI app, and there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix the error. In the first method, go to Claude AI, and if you are already logged in, first you will need to log out and try logging in afresh. So log out here and then go ahead, log in, and once you have logged in, the error should have gone. However, if you still have the same error, then you need to go to these three lines here and click on new chart. This should be able to clear the other thread that was experiencing loading issue and start with a whole new chart. But in some cases, maybe you were trying to load charts from a previous thread. For instance, if you had some of your charts and this error emanated from them, to fix this, you will need just to restart your smartphone. And once you have restarted your smartphone, now log into your app and then go to the chart that you wanted to open. So I'll open this, and by doing so, you will see the charts will be loaded without any issue. So that's how you can fix error loading charts on Claude AI app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.